Today, we are diving into one of the most anticipated budget-friendly smartphone releases of the year, the iPhone SE 4, which is officially launching in 2025. But wait, there's more. Some leaks suggest Apple might be rebranding it as the iPhone 16e. Whether that name sticks or not, one thing is certain. This device is shaping up to be a mid-range powerhouse that could easily rival the iPhone 14 and 15. So, let's explore everything we know about this upcoming device, from its specifications and design to pricing and availability. Apple's big event is scheduled for February 19th, and fans worldwide are eager to see the official unveiling of the iPhone SE 4. If the rumors are accurate, this could be one of the biggest refreshes in the SE lineup, bringing in a mix of affordability and flagship-tier performance. One of the most exciting aspects of this phone is that it's expected to feature high-end hardware on par with the iPhone 16 series. Yes, you heard that right. The iPhone SE 4 could be powered by Apple's next-gen A18 chip, coupled with 8 GB of RAM. This means improved performance, enhanced efficiency, and a future-proof experience for those who don't want to break the bank for a premium iPhone. Design and display. Leaks suggest that Apple is finally giving the SE series a much-needed facelift. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to sport a 6.1-inch Super Retina OLED display, delivering stunning visuals with deep blacks and vibrant colors. This is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, which had an outdated LCD panel. The display will also feature a notch design, similar to the iPhone 14, and will incorporate Face ID for seamless biometric authentication. For durability, Apple is incorporating ceramic shield glass on the front and an aluminum frame, making it one of the most resilient SE models ever produced. The sleek design is expected to come in a variety of color options, catering to users who love a stylish and modern look. Camera capabilities. Apple is making significant strides in the camera department for the iPhone SE 4. The device is rumored to feature a 48-megapixel rear camera with autofocus and an LED flash, bringing high-resolution photography to budget-conscious users. On the front, users can expect a 12-megapixel camera equipped with SL 3D sensors, ensuring crisp selfies and improved Face ID performance. Despite having a single lens setup on the back, Apple's computational photography is expected to take center stage, offering features like night mode, smart HDR, deep fusion, and advanced portrait effects. This means users can capture high-quality shots with great detail, even in low-light conditions. Battery, charging, and connectivity. One of the most anticipated upgrades is the transition to USB-C charging. Apple is finally aligning the SE lineup with its flagship models by ditching the Lightning port. This means users can enjoy fast wired charging and MagSafe charging, making wireless charging a seamless experience. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to feature a solid battery life, with efficiency improvements thanks to the A18 chip. While Apple hasn't disclosed the exact battery capacity, leaks suggest it could last longer than previous SE models. Moreover, the phone is expected to carry an IP68 rating, making it resistant to water and dust, something that was missing in previous budget iPhones. Performance and software. Apple is reportedly pushing the boundaries of what a budget iPhone can do. With the A18 chip, the iPhone SE 4 is expected to deliver a flagship-like experience that will outperform many Android competitors in the mid-range segment. The 8 GB of RAM ensures smooth multitasking, gaming, and long-term performance stability. As for the software, the device will come with iOS 18 out of the box, bringing a host of new features, AI enhancements, and long-term software support that iPhones are known for. Features like live text, app library, focus modes, and advanced privacy settings will make this phone a great choice for users who prioritize a smooth and secure user experience. Price and availability. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to launch at a starting price of around $499, which puts it in direct competition with the Google Pixel 9a and other mid-range Android devices. If this price holds, Apple could dominate the affordable smartphone market once again, giving users a top-tier experience without the hefty price tag. For those eager to get their hands on this device, here's what you need to know about its release timeline. Pre-orders start on February 21st at 5 a.m. Pacific Time, 8 a.m. Eastern, 1 p.m. UK time. The official launch date is set for February 28th at 8 a.m. local time. Apple has historically released new products on a Friday, and this time should be no different. The iPhone SE4 will be available through Apple's online store, retail locations, and major carriers, giving users multiple options to purchase. Should you buy the iPhone SE4? So, is the iPhone SE for the ultimate mid-range iPhone? With flagship-level hardware, a revamped design, and modern features, it certainly seems like Apple has created a winning formula. For those looking for an affordable, compact, and powerful iPhone, this could be the best option available in 2025. The introduction of USB-C, a high-resolution camera, and improved battery life further add to its appeal. That said, some might argue that Apple is still holding back on features like a multi-camera setup or promotion displays. But considering the price point, the iPhone SE4 delivers exceptional value. Final thoughts. With just one day left before the official reveal, excitement is at an all-time high. Whether Apple calls it the iPhone SE4 or the iPhone 16e, this budget-friendly smartphone is set to make waves in the mobile industry. What are your thoughts on the iPhone SE4? Do you think Apple is making the right moves with this device, or should they have included even more features? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because I'll be covering every detail when Apple finally makes its big announcement. Stay tuned for more updates here on technology in the future.